Look at the burn, guys. Grabe. The burn. Yeah, I am burned. Like super burned. Hi guys, welcome. My name is Roche. Beautymagz here. In today's video, what I'm going to discuss about is sunburn. I recently went to a beach, okay, and I use a little bit of sunscreen, but not too much. And so I feel like a Wonder Woman when I went to the beach. Saturday, November 9. We are heading to the beach. When I know that I should be wearing my rash guard, okay? Which I wear oftentimes, guys. I don't switch rash guard anymore. Because that one has more like UV protection. It has more. I think it has like 50, 60, something like that. So it's really, really good for the skin. But I feel like that day when I went to the beach, or just this weekend, I feel like I am a Wonder Woman. I have a wonderful woman skin, which I don't. I have very super sensitive skin, okay? And when I am exposed to the sun over 30 minutes, I would gonna get a heat rash, okay? And it's a really tiny little bumps that is very painful. It's burning, it's very itchy, and the only thing that can really help me with it is a product from the US, okay? And unfortunately, I don't have any extra. I think mine was already expired right away, so I don't have any creams to put on, and so I didn't have any heat rash. But what was just happening was I have a very burning feeling with sunburn. I don't have the peeling right now since it's just happened a few days ago, okay? So today is my second day, okay? So the product that I am going to talk about is this Luxe Organix or Luxe Organix, okay? I posted in my Instagram that day I bought it, okay? And that night I use it, okay? And in this clip right here, so I've been using it on my arms, my back, my shoulder, my legs, generously, guys, generously. So first application I did use it, then after 30 minutes I reapplied again because the burning is just really bad. Even with my hair touches my skin, I feel that burning, okay? Right now I feel better. This is my second day with it, so just to see how the product looks like. This is a plastic container, and this is about 300 ml, 199 pesos. I bought it in Watson's, and this is 99.85% aloe vera, which is very soothing to your skin. So this is Luxe Organix Soothing Gel, okay, for all types of skin. Paraben free, alcohol free, no artificial color, okay, when you open. Okay, so same with any other like tube like this, it's just like that. Mild scent, very skincare like, soapy, not so, a little bit unbearable, okay? So it's bearable, and it's like gel form like that. Since I didn't put on my thing yet because I've been waiting for this video to happen, all right? So just generous amount like that, okay? So just apply it like that, guys. It absorbs to the skin, but not very long, so you have to wait a little bit, a few minutes until it absorbs. But right away when I put it on, it does have a cooling effect. So when I was burning, see, you can see, guys, look at that, it's like orange, and you know, the thing that makes this product good for my skin right now is that it has that cooling effect, okay? so it's good. The only thing that I feel like at the end of the day is a bit sticky, just slightly sticky on the skin. Okay, it's like there is a sticky notes something, but very mild. Okay, something on the skin that it makes my skin a little bit slightly heavier. Okay, but it's okay, since for me this is like putting medicine on my skin, since this is the time right now to really generously like put it on and put it there. Do I like this product? Yes, of course. All right, so again, I also have like dry spots with my skin. Look at the burn, guys. Grabe. Look at the burn. See, I am burned, like super burned, like overburn. It also helps with maybe preventing from peeling. I think that'll be good. I hope there's no peeling, micro peeling. Okay, or because I don't like that dead skin look like feel, or you really have to have a lot of time, like try to clean it up and take it off from on top of the skin. I hope not. Okay, so this is it. I just leave it like that. I do it like after 30 minutes. It was soothing, and then after I feel it burning again, so I put it again, especially in my back, guys. My back is really hurting. So right now I have my thing right now. I can't put it on. Later when I will take this off and put it in my back so it can help me. So I really put this all over the areas, 2 to 3 times, so it can help with the soothing. So would I recommend it? Yes, it does help with sunburn. Okay, especially if you're in pain. Only downside is a little bit sticky. That's all. Price is okay. It has a good percentage of aloe, so that's very good. Again, guys, so would I recommend this? Yes, 199 pesos. It's good, it's soothing, it helps with your sunburn, and if this is also has a lot of essentials to it. If you wanna use it for something else, like a lotion, a cream, moisturizer, hair treatment, also shaving cream. So I guess I would use it to shave my underarms. It will be help. I'm gonna start using it for that. I like it. I would recommend it. And yeah, grab it to your Watsons if you are close to it. It does help with my sunburn problem right now. So yes, this will end my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in my next one.